Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is the population of a town is 24,000. If the number of males increased by 6% and that of female by 9%, the population would be 25,620. Find the number of female in the town. So here we have to find out the number of female after the increase by how much? By the female is increased by 9%. So after the increase of 9%, how much is the strength of female? So for this, the first thing which we have to do, we take that let the male and female be that is X and Y. So here for the male we have taken that is X and for female we have taken that is Y. So before the increase we are having the total population of the town. So this is for male plus, and for the female the total population that is 24,000. So this is the population recently. So this is our equation number 1 we have taken out. And now after the increase, how much is the increase? The increase we are having that is 6% for the male and 9% for the female. And after the increase, so after the increase, the new population that is 25,620. So you need to understand this portion. So now we are having the population for the male that is X plus, and this is for female. So here how much is the population of male increase? That is 6% of what? 6% of the male population. So we are here increasing it by 6% of the male population. So we have taken 6% of this population, so 6% of X. So this is for male plus, and for female we are having the population increased by how much? By 9%. So this is 9% of what? 9% of, so we multiply it, 9% of the female population, and we have just increased. So 9% increase of the female population. And after the increase of 6% and 9%, the new population we are having now that becomes how much? That is 25,620. So the new population we have got that is this. So we have to find out the number of female. It means, so this Y we have taken for female Y. So we have to find out this Y, the population of female. So for this we take here. So here we are to take the LCM. So the LCM will be, so this is 100. So 100x plus 6x. 100 cancel out with each other plus. I hope till here you are getting. So here again we take the LCM. So 100y plus 9y. So 100 cancel out, we get here that is 9y. So this becomes that is 25,620. And again, so this portion becomes that is, so we take the LCM of both. So this becomes that is how much? This is 100. So 100x plus 6x, that is 106x plus, and this becomes that is 109y is equal to 25,620. 20. I hope till here you have completely understood the method. So this 100 will go upward and it multiply by this digit. So we get here that is 106x plus 109y, that is, so this becomes that is 25,620. So this here, if we multiply it by 100, it becomes, we add it to 0, so this becomes that is maybe something 25,62,000. So this is the digit, this is not a population, because 100 has been multiplied by the above portion. And now this is, let's suppose we have taken equation number 2. So this is equation number 2. So we have that is, we have the equation number 1, and that is x plus y. We have taken out equation number 1, that is x plus y is equal to 24,000. So x plus y is equal to 24,000. So we have to find out the value of female population. So we write here that x is equal to 24,000, and this y goes this side, becomes minus y. So this is the value of x. So put this value, the value of x we put in the equation number 2. So we have to put the value of x in the equation number 2, and equation number 2 we have found out, this is this. So this becomes that is, therefore, so 106x, so this is equation number 2, 106x plus 109y is equal to 25,62,000. Putting the value of x, and x we are having that is 24,000 minus 20y. So this becomes that is plus 109y is equal to this. So now we just have to calculate this. So 106 multiplied by 24,000, we get that is 25 lakh and 44,000 minus 106 by y, we get that is 106y plus 109y is equal to 25. So above we have just wrote here. So here 106y plus 109y, we get that is 3y. So here plus with the greater sign, so it becomes 3y is equal to 25,6200. So this is this portion, and this portion here goes this side, becomes minus 25 lakh and 44,000. It becomes minus. So what we get here, we get that is, so 25 lakh 62,000 minus 25 lakh and 44,000, we get here that is, so this is 3y, and here we get that is 18 and 000. It means 18,000 we have got. So further solving, y is equal to 18,000 divided by 3. So this goes downward and it divides by 18,000. So 3 ones are and 3 6 000. So here we have got y is equal to 6000. So y, this y is what? This y is the female population. So we have just taken for female, that is y. So this becomes, that is y is equal to 6,000 female. So this is our answer. And this one, what is this? This is the number of female in the town. So this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.